What's going on YouTube? Modeling that back at you with another decal review. Today I have the 1/72nd scale Marine Aviation Combat Element from Flying Leathernecks decals. This is, again, primarily going to be an all Marines decal sheet, but what is really awesome and I love about it is it gives you markings for a lot of different aircraft. Definitely, when you look to get this sheet, understand you may be paying a little bit more, but you can get a lot of stuff out of it. So, looking through, we'll go kind of through each aircraft marking option, then we'll take a look at the decal sheet. So, first one is the AC-130. I'm sorry, the C-130. Here. So, and this is from Cherry Point, North Carolina in 2006. And it does actually give kit recommendations on the back, so in the Zvezda or Italeri C-130s is what it would recommend for this. Moving on to our inner set here. So we have the CH-53 from New River, North Carolina in 2008. The Condors. On the other side, we have a couple of different aircraft. So we have the UH-1N, or QE, aircraft, and this one is from Atlanta, Georgia in 2006, with the red dogs there. Then we have from the Evil Eye group, the AH-1Z, which this one, I didn't get the decal sheet for this aircraft, but I'm probably going to look to pick this one up because I absolutely love the Jolly Rogers flying there. And we have the inside here, and the Green Knights. Again, nice low vis scheme. Then we have down here in the bottom nice Prowler. Kind of cool with the Frankenstein walking. Now onto the actual reason that I got it, which was for the MV-22B. This one is from October 2015. Again, being the Leathernecks. It's cool having the eyes here on the front, but even more cool, the flag raising over Iwo Jima on the tail. That's actually what made it for me and why I desperately found this kit, or this decal sheet. And then also, a little bit of one that's not as well known today is the Aviate-B Harriers. Again, with the F-35Bs coming along, Harriers just aren't as well known in today's age. But looking at the actual artwork went into this sheet, and as you can see, it is a very, very compacted sheet. A lot of different markings all the way down through it, but it looks really good. Carrier film, that nice semi-gloss, just as everything else. So not had any experience with Flying Leatherneck decals, but as I'm looking at it, I would definitely say looks like these would go down really well. So I'm looking forward to building this one up, and like I said, also that AH-1Z helicopter. So hope you guys like the review. They do have a lot of other options available. Hopefully everything stayed within focus, but like I said, huge sheet for, I think it was like less than $20 US that I was able to, or that I spent for it. So well worth the money, given the number of options that you have. So like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.